Good evening, everybody. This is Matt with the Low Cash Homestead. And what I wanted to show you tonight was a completely free-cycled project. Okay, minus the dirt and the pea gravel that's in the bottom. So what I have here is I have a crisper drawer from an old fridge. I don't remember where I got it. I really don't. And then we have the tempered glass top that goes on it as well. Inside the crisper drawer, we free-cycled these juice containers. I have a large family. We drink a lot of juice. We punched a few holes in the bottom of those, and we recycled these little Bonnie containers from last year's plants as well. So we put a little pea gravel in the bottom. That way I can pour my water, and that gives it a little bit of mass, just a little bit of thermal mass. And I can also just not put my water on the dirt. I can put my water in the bottom and let the plants kind of pull that water up. The water also acts as thermal mass. And then we just put our tempered glass right on top. And I brought it in because it's getting cold. This is not a cold hardy plant in here. These are tomatoes. Another thing I wanted to mention just quickly is, as much as we love Lexan and as much as we love plexiglass, there is nothing better for solar transfer than glass. So if you have the capability to get glass, or are in a situation where you can use glass and you think it'll be durable enough, then my advice would be to use glass whenever possible. This is Matt with the Low Cash Homestead. I just wanted to show you this free cycled hot box. Thank you very much. Have a good night.